Right, welcome to my channel, Jules Craft Room, and this is another unboxing video. Crochet Society box, and it's box 32, and it's just arrived on my doorstep this morning. So let's get into it. Love the sound of that. Right, so it's a beautiful box. It's got sort of like diamond shapes on it, and inside you've got the grey tissue paper. So I'll just turn you around and you can see what's in the box. Right, so here we go. Let's see what's in here this month. Right, so as always, we've got a crochet hook, and isn't that a beautiful crochet hook? So that is a 6.5 mil. So that means that we'll probably be going to crochet something that is going to be using this lovely 6.5 mil hook. They're always lovely to hold. So that's nice. And this is 100% acrylic, and it's chunky yarn. And this is Hawaii, is it? Colour Hawaii. And the other colour is Hilo. So yeah, so they don't really, but it's a lovely tan and a beautiful cream colour. So yes, I'm looking forward to see what we're meant to be doing with those. So we have a stitch marker, and that's on the same theme as the heart diamond shapes. So that's lovely. And look at this. Isn't that lovely? So let's open that up. So I presume that is, maybe it's for putting stitch markers in. I don't know. We shall find out when we look in the book. There's also this, which looks like a little hot water bottle. Isn't that clever? Yeah, looks like a little hot water bottle with the heart design on. Keep your warm while you're sitting there crocheting. And here's a, I think this will be for the size, telling you the size of the crochet hook. I would have thought that's for. So yes, so let's have a look at the book. So it looks like the hat is what they're going to give us. Now that's a lovely looking hat. And it looks like there's a bit of, what do they call it? Mosaicing, is it? So we'll see. So there's a bit from Sarah Jane, and then there's some ideas. Oh, there's a cushion, a hot water cozy for your hot water bottle, and the hat. There's a bit about the designer. There's the cushion that you can make. There's more about some free crochet patterns. That's what's in the box. So yes, yes, this keeps all your notions to hand in a magnetic case. So yes, you can put like your stitch marker in there, and I suppose if you had a big needle when you want to stitch the items together that you've made, like a cardigan, stitch the sleeves together, things like that, you could keep it all in there. That's a little hot water bottle, and like I thought, that gauge is for testing the width of your crochet hooks if you're not sure. So yeah, then there's some more colours that you can get of this Merlot wool, and that's the beanie that you can make, and other patterns, and that is the, so they've got a hot water bottle covers in standard size and the mini size, so that's quite handy. And there's some other bits and pieces that other people have made, and that will be the box next time. So yeah, so very nice. I'm not sure what I'm going to make. I do like the look of the hat. I love the colours, and the cushion's lovely as well. So I don't know. And definitely need to make a little hot water bottle cover for the hot water bottle. Yes, so that's a difficult one. Let me know if you get the Crochet Society box, what one you're going to make, because yes, I'm not sure. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing, and if you're waiting for yours, let me know what you decide to make. Bye for now.